Welcome to my Deluxe Ocean View Room here at the beautiful Barceló Aruba. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice the spacious closet, perfect for unpacking and settling in. It comes fully stocked with a safe, an ironing board, plus plenty of hangers for all of your outfits. Can we talk about these plush bathrobes and cozy slippers? Y'all, I love those robes. I wanted to take it home. Seriously, they're so comfortable. You would definitely want to take them home. Now, let's check out the main area. It's a gorgeous king-size bed with soft linens, a nightstand, lamps, a telephone. Y'all, that bed was so comfortable. We got some glasses for your ice cold drinks over here, a mini fridge. It's stocked with beer, soda, and water to keep you refreshed throughout your stay. Oh, I also love that they include US plugs, which is perfect. You get a great sized desk for getting a little work done, and even a comfy ottoman lounge to relax and unwind. And of course, my favorite touch is the ceiling fan that gives that perfect island breeze. All right, let's step out on the balcony, y'all. Just look at this view. This view was breathtaking. It's overlooking the pool with the turquoise ocean stretching out in the background. It's absolutely breathtaking. The property is stunning from every angle, and this view alone makes the stay worth it. So, this is the Deluxe Ocean View Room at Barceló Aruba, right? It's the perfect mix of comfort, style, and Caribbean paradise.
I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his finger. One time, sinking my life in.
Yo estaba acostumbrada a trabajar todo el pesado, todo vendido, todo es, tiene sus cosas.
Get a picture with this.
No, chef. It's a video. It's a video.
Give me a picture with this.
Okay. Thank you. The dinner was amazing.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
You pina colada, Deli?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Important.